Welcome back to the WP Week. Episode 122 is live, bringing you the latest WordPress news, updates, and trends you need to know. Today's episode is sponsored by Kinsta20i and WP Job Openings plugin. The talk of the town this week is the launch of the core program team. Mary Hubbard announced this expansion, building on the approach first introduced with the core AI team. The new team's mission is to improve coordination across core, making it easier for contributors to collaborate and move projects forward together. In WordPress and around, there's a call for mentors to join WordPress Credits. Mentors are expected to dedicate at least 2 hours a week over a 13 to 18-week cohort, guiding up to 5 students with regular check-ins, asynchronous support through Slack or email, and feedback on projects. At WordCamp US 2022 the core committer meeting focused on welcoming new contributors, updating outdated coding standards, refining decision-making, and handling the growing wave of AI-generated pull requests. Meanwhile, the documentation team shared that Jenny McKinnon has temporarily stepped away after disagreements over release squad changes. One long-running ticket has finally been closed. WordPress.org services now has full IPV6 support after 8 years. WordPress 6.9 also brings an important change. The search engine's discouraged message will now be more visible. The update introduces a new site health test under the privacy category, adds a red alert icon in the dashboard widget, and links directly to reading settings so site owners can fix the issue quickly. On the security front, users of the WordPress Jobmonster theme need to act fast. A vulnerability was discovered that allows unauthenticated attackers to bypass authentication, potentially gaining elevated access. Updating to the latest version is strongly recommended. WooCommerce also rolled out version 10.2.1, a dot release that delivers key fixes for WordPress 6.9 compatibility, AMP plugin conflicts, RTL price display issues, and update handling for refunded orders. Beyond WordPress, the U.S. Department of Justice is pressing forward with its case against Google, asking a court to break up its ad manager as part of remedies in its ongoing antitrust trial. Meanwhile, SEO professionals have noticed changes in Google's search results parameters. The change is disrupting rank trackers and altering how desktop impressions are counted. Turning to community news, applications are now open for the host city of WordCamp Asia 2027, with the deadline set for November 1st, 2025. The chosen city will be revealed during the closing remarks of WordCamp Asia 2026 in Mumbai. Over in the US, the San Diego WordPress Meetup is making a comeback after years of pause. Originally known as Advanced WordPress, the group has evolved into a community for all skill levels and will relaunch with networking, lightning talks, and activities. WPBakery has introduced a loyalty program offering Support Plus subscribers a 5% renewal discount for each consecutive year of active auto-renewal, capped at 50%. Experimentation with telex continues, with Nick Hamzey introducing a scratch-off block, Marco creating interactive icons, and Juan Margarito developing a mermaid diagram block. In the plugin ecosystem, Vikas Singhal is exploring potential buyers for Gutena Forms, which has 20,000 active installs and earns about $200 a month. Jamie Marsland has been experimenting with enhancements to the cover block and is asking the community whether to release his package as a free plugin. Milestones have also been celebrated. Jonathan Bossinger uploaded his 200th video to WordPress.tv, and CookieAdmin crossed 100,000 active installs. Reno shared his frustrations after testing free Gutenberg block themes and plugins, noting a lack of standardization and suggesting professionals rely on a single paid stack for stability. A new curated list called Awesome Dev Tools has also been released, highlighting developer tools from cloud services to AI-powered coding assistants. Nitin Chatkar of the core team has been awarded the Yoast Care Fund for his contributions to the WordPress community, marking another recognition of the people who keep the project moving forward. New projects this week include GoDaddy's Airo Site Designer, an AI-powered tool for quickly creating professional websites, available exclusively to their managed WordPress hosting customers. Pantheon has introduced Content Publisher, which lets users draft, preview, and publish directly from Google Docs to Drupal, WordPress, or Next.js sites. Corey Mass launched the Post Calendar plugin, transforming the post list into a drag-and-drop calendar for scheduling. Gravity MCP, a free MCP server, now allows AI assistants like Claude to manage Gravity Forms entries through natural language commands. ZenCommunity, an upcoming plugin from Academy LMS, combines group chats, private messaging, support tickets, and live chat into one package. ZiziCache promises full-spectrum website performance optimization, while API Press simplifies connecting external APIs to WordPress. For a bit of fun, Jeffrey Paul's Pong Block adds the classic arcade game to your site with accessibility and customization options. The Infinite Logo Carousel block provides a sleek way to display client or partner logos in a scrolling carousel. And Carl Kubelet has launched a self-hosting course, teaching users how to run a WordPress site independently, with full control over server specs, themes, plugins, and performance. That wraps up this week's episode of the WP Week podcast. Thanks for listening to the WP Week podcast, sponsored by Kinsta, 20i, and WP Job Openings. Stay tuned, stay updated, and as always, keep contributing to make WordPress better for everyone.